So let's take a look at this problem here. We're looking at the region bounded by the parabola y equal x squared, y equals 0, the x-axis, and then the lines x equal -2, x equal -1, and we want to revolve this around the y-axis. Okay, so we're looking at y equal x squared. Of course, this is parabola, but we only care about it for between x equal -2 and x equal -1. So say it looks something like that. All right, and we're going to revolve this around the y-axis, right? So it looks something like that. Okay, so to do this by shells, we want to calculate what? 2 pi radius times height. Right. So looking at a cylindrical shell inside of here, anywhere inside of here, well, it's easy to see what the height is going to be, right? If you draw a shell, so let's say x is right there. There's your height, right? The height is x squared, right? So you draw this little cylindrical shell right inside of there. And what's the radius? It's just the distance from x to here, the origin. So the radius is minus x, right? You need to be careful because you're on this side of the origin. So when we want to calculate then the volume, it's going to be 2 pi, radius is minus x, height is x squared. We're integrating, of course, along the x-axis, dx. And now what are we integrating to and from? We're going from x equal -2 to x equal -1. Okay, and just check. Now that might confuse you because you see that minus sign there and you think, oh, how can a volume be minus or be negative? But it's not going to be, because just check this out. What is this? This is minus 2 pi, the integral from -2 to -1 of x cubed dx. And when we integrate this, let me put this up again. When we integrate this, we're going to have what? Minus 2 pi times x to the 4th over 4, evaluated from -2 to -1. So this is a minus pi x to the 4th over 2, right, canceling the 2's, evaluated from -2 to -1. So minus pi, you have a -1 to the 4th over 2 plus pi -2 to the 4th over 2. And what are we left with here? We're going to have a minus pi over 2 plus pi times, what do you have here? -2 to the 4th is 16 over 2. So this is 15 pi over 2.